Previous example, we have a set of final exam grade was found to be normally distributed with mean 73 and standard deviation of 8. Only 5% of the students taking the test, they score higher than what grade? So if we say that our X is normally distributed with mean 73 and standard deviation of 8, it means our X has a shape of normal curve. This is the X normal curve. Okay, so in the middle we have 73. When we say that 5% of the students scored higher than a grade, it means we are here. We will say that there is a grade A such that 5% of the students they scored higher than this grade, and we have to find what is this grade. So we are saying here that the probability that X is greater than A is equal to 5% or 0.05. What you usually do in solving question related to normal distribution, you don't deal with a normal curve for X, you deal with a normal curve for Z, standard normal curve. So we just convert this. We know that we have a standard normal curve for Z, the mean is equal to 0. So here there is a value of Z such that the probability Z greater than this value, which is equal to 0.05. So we need to find the value of Z, which gives you this probability as 0.05. Now we know from the normal table, the normal distribution table, which you have it in your blackboard, that table only gives you the value of probability when your Z lies between 0 and a value of Z. So in that table, we are not going to search for this probability. We have to search for a probability when your Z is between 0 and this value. So what is this area? If we know the total area is equal to 0.5, right side of 0 or left side of 0, the total is 0.5. So if we know this area, how much will be this area? This will be 0.45. So from the normal table, you have to search when your probability will be, or when your area will be 0.45. If you search, you are not going to get exactly 0.45, but you are going to get near to 0.45, which is 0.4505. Okay, and that is when your Z is equal to 1.60.04. So we found for Z 1.64. So we have found when we will have 5% here, when your Z is equal to 1.64. So if you know that your Z is 1.64 in this place, what will be your A, or what will be your X value on that? We know that the formula of Z, it is equal to X minus mu divided by sigma. So you have the Z 1.64, you are searching for X, and you have the mu, which is 73 divided by 8. So you just cross multiply, you get 1.64 times 8 equal to X minus 73. So from here X is equal to 1.64 times 8 plus 73. Your X is equal to 86.12. So we are saying that 5% of the student scored higher than this value. Okay, I hope this example is clear to you. This is the last example for normal distribution. Next example will be for exponential distribution.